So in order to change the breathing circuit module behind the flow sensors, if you've got a canister on there, you just need to remove your canister. You're going to press the green button on the breathing system. Oh, before you do that, disconnect your hose here and set it off to the side. Then you'll pull this lever. When you do, your whole breathing system will come off. You can set it on the tabletop at the anesthesia machine. Remove your flow sensor face by rotating the green lever. Pull it straight off. This is the assembly that you're going to end up replacing that we sent you. You're just going to rotate this a half a turn. Pull it out. On the new one, if you notice, there's a plastic tip here, like a guide, a starting point. When you go to put the new one on, you'll see the notch for the tip. Just put that in, rotate it back until the flappers are pointing straight up. Insert your flow sensor module back in, lock it in place. Bring your breathing system back over. And just make sure that the line, the cutout for your front flow sensor module lines up with the cutout in the desk. And then just give it a good push. When you do, you'll kind of hear it snap back in place. And then just put your hose back on. And you can reinstall your canister.